GROOVADELICS. Tonight, we're going to take you on a little ride with ska, maybe a little rock, and a little blues. But tonight, we're going to start off with a little something you might know, and if you feel like it, sing along. I'm on Rastafari, the one and only Bob Marley. About a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Saying don't worry, yeah, about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds sit on my doorstep, singing sweet songs and a melody pure and true. Say, this is my message to you. Saying don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing, it's gonna be alright. And don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing, it's gonna be alright. Every little thing, it's gonna be alright. Take this, gentlemen.